Today we will solve the factorization question and we will see how to evaluate square and product of numbers using algebraic expressions. So we have the question, evaluate each of the following. So we have three parts, 104 whole square, 78 square, and C is 301 multiplied by 299. So these are three different parts. So let's see how we can solve each of these parts using the factorization and algebraic identification method. If you remember the formulas we learned in previous videos, so we learned that a square plus 2ab plus b square, this was the first formula. Then we learned a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you have to remember these formulas. Now using the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square, we will solve part A of the question. We can write 104 square as 100 plus 4 whole square. Now we can apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have a 100, so 100 square plus 2, we have 100 as a, and b as 4 plus b square. Now you can solve this. 100 square will be, this will be 10,000 plus 100 multiplied by 2, 200, 200 multiplied by 4 will be your 800, and similarly 4 to the power 2 is your 16. So if you add these three numbers, you get 10816. So this is your answer. Now let's see what is part B. Part B is 78 square. We can write 78 square as 80 minus 2 whole square. Now we can apply a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we will solve using the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square means 80 square minus 2 into 80 into 2 plus 2 whole square. Now if you calculate 80 square, you have the number, so 6400, and then if you multiply 80 with 2 and then 2, then you will get 320, and then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So your answer to this question is 6084. If you remember, then we also discussed another formula for factorization question, and that was a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So this formula will be used to solve part C of the question. So we can write the question as, so we can write 301 as 300 plus 1, and similarly 299 as 300 minus 1. So we have the form a plus b and a minus b. Then we have to convert it as a square minus b square. So a square is 300 to the power 2, and minus 1 to the power 2 is your b square. Now solving this, you get the answer. So the answer is 89999. Do subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching.